What is up, squad? So I'm sorry for all the fans, but it's starting to warm up out here. I am out here Sunday morning to finish getting that transmission out so that we can throw the upgraded clutch in and our new stiff mounts. And today is Sunday. I really have to get this stuff knocked out today because I really want to try to take it to James either tomorrow or Tuesday so that he can start on fabbing up like the intercooler stuff and, you know, getting the manifold and stuff situated, the lines plumbed for the oil feed and return, all of that stuff, because I really want to get this thing finished up. And I ain't gonna lie, guys, I've been lazy, man. I haven't done work like this since I put this car together, and it's really made me a lot more lazy, and I've been neglecting. It's hot, I don't want to mess with it, but truth be told, I don't have room to argue because it's people that work in a lot hotter situations than me. Like today, I think it's supposed to be all right. Today's supposed to be like mid 80s, so it's not the end of the world, but I don't know, man, I just got lazy. So, but yeah, as you saw in the last clip, trans is pulled. I've got the rear mount out, about to swap over the stiff mount and get that T-bracket back on. Then we'll move on to installing a new clutch and yeah, get ready to throw the trans back in. When we get the trans lifted back up, we'll throw the stiff trans mount in. Once we get all of that side bolted back up and together, then we'll pull the driver side mount out and swap it out. That's not the big issue. That's an easy one, but the hardest one was that rear. I wanted to make sure I could get to it while the trans was out. So yeah, making progress, guys. It is warming up though. I think it's about 8-9 o'clock now, and yeah, the sun is really coming on out and it's heating up. So what I might do is try to get that clutch swapped on and just wait maybe and put the transmission on like later this evening, so when it starts cooling back down. But we'll see, because I missed getting a video out. I was gonna do a video for y'all yesterday, and then messing with like other stuff in life, I couldn't get the transmission. I really wanted to at least get the transmission out in one video, but it just took too long. Like I stayed out here till about 1 o'clock Saturday morning trying to get everything off to get it out. And then Saturday I had a haircut in the morning, and we had some cookout stuff for 4th of July. And yeah, it's just, you know how it is. But progress, guys, we are making progress, man, and soon we'll be boosted. And that's gonna be crazy to say. I'll have a turbo car. Yeah, I'm gonna probably blow it up, I'm not gonna lie. Got the transmission back in, guys, and I'm gonna just quit for the night.
Here goes Steve.
All right, guys, so it is now the next day, which is Monday, and I've completely got pretty much everything put back. I've got the mount on this side, that side, and in the rear. Trans is back in, shift link is hooked up, slave cylinder's hooked back up, just needs to be bled. We got the half shaft in. I've got this whole axle and everything all put back together. Ball joint tight, everything's good on this side. We can put the wheel on. And on this side, I ended up having to go get an actual axle. So on this side, I ended up having to get a whole axle. The boot from the old one had ripped and it had flung all the grease out, and it made a mess, which I need to try to clean some of that up. But all the auto parts stores were saying Wednesday was the latest they could get one by, because today is being represented as a holiday. So I hit the good old junkyard and found this jewel out there for, I think it was like 37 bucks with tax. And it does look to be OEM, so hopefully this thing will hold up good for us. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this in, and then this side will be all complete. We can then put the tires on, and essentially everything will be done. The only thing left is I need to still do the actual running the battery wires to the rear, which I don't have any wire yet, so I need to get that, and I need to get some type of connector to link these wires to the new wires so that I can run it to the back. Now the ground, I'm gonna just put an end on it and ground it probably like one of these holes where the battery box used to be, and then the hot wire I just need to run all the way through to the back, and we'll ground the battery in the trunk as well.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Yeah, I just wanna go back home, can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for? What all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again, and I don't even know half the things you said.
Fam, so this is pretty much gonna wrap this video up. The car is ready to go back on the ground. I'm gonna leave it in the air though, because I do need to fill the transmission up with fluid, and it's just easier to monitor it with it in the air. So I'm gonna wait till I get the fluid to let it down. But the news so far is James isn't gonna be able to even touch the car this week. So I've been kicking my ass pretty much for no reason. But the good news is it gives me a little more time. I was gonna try to finish this thing up today and drop it off to him first thing in the morning, but he said he probably won't be able to touch it this week, so it's no need for me to let the car just sit and not get no work done to it. So what I'm gonna try to do is I still have to throw that 255 Walbro fuel pump in. I'm gonna try to get that done, and I'll of course try to video all of that, do a battery relocation. So next video, we'll try to get the battery all situated in the back and get that 255 pump thrown in. And we should be complete then. That'll be pretty much everything on my end that I need to get done. The rest will be up to him. And I'm disappointed because I really wanted to try to video the steps, like him welding the piping up and stuff, but my job don't allow me to just have days off like that. So, and his job, he's got a schedule he's running, so I can't expect him just to let me jump in front of people. That's just not how it works. But that being said, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do a whole lot of video in the process because he doesn't really like filming stuff either. So I'll try to just do my usual, get the dyno video and get the pools in, because y'all want to see that mostly anyway, I think. But if he works on it on a Saturday or something and I can get up there to check it out, then we'll try to make some content on it then. But for the most part, I think after the fuel pump video, which will be next, I think that'll probably be the last time y'all see the car until it's actually turboed. So super hyped for this, man. I'm nervous, I'm excited, but it's gotta happen, man. You guys are screaming turbo, so I'm gonna try to get this thing put on together. Yeah, that being said, I've been rambling, guys. I'm gonna end this video here. Hope y'all liked it. Make sure you smack the like button. It is hot. I will catch y'all in the next one. Remember, guys, respect our bills. Peace out.